this is 7B84, line 22. Carbon, boron, nitride, splitting particles formula, 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. June 16th was when I was working on it. Splitting neutrinos, particles, mixtures, and liquid argon gas plasmas with carbon, boron, nitrides, formulas for the UFO core engine, crystal argon gas, proton energies, and line 22 well data. So that's what it's about. Solid state nuclear magnetic resonance to magic angle spinning. Keywords were from 7B78, which was magic angle spinning part 3 formula UFO. Then 7B83 RF Taylor voltage waveforms argon formula. 83. Don't know how to read. July 1st, my thoughts. The keyword magic angle spinning has several videos and formulas with it, which I've said over and over again. Keyword from Boron Nitride, from previous videos about magic angle spinning. Quotes and diagrams are from Wiki. BN is isoelectronic to a similarly structured carbon lattice, and this exists in various crystalline forms. The hexagonal form, corresponding to graphite, is the most stable and softest among BN polymorphs. Boron nitride has a great potential in nanotechnology. So when I read that, I thought, oh cool, you guys are just starting your research on the nanotechnology with the boron nitride, and it's coming up in the WOW formulas, so I'm pretty sure you guys are going to be very interested in this. Nanotubes of BN can be produced that have structure similar to that of carbon nanotubes. Actually, I'm going to make that a keyword, nanotechnology, so I know. Actually, I should write that over here. Keyword, nanotechnology. And I'm going to just put that at the top so I don't forget. That's something that you guys are interested in. So, okay. Nanotubes of BN can be produced that have a structure similar to that of carbon nanotubes, i.e. graphene or BN sheets rolled on themselves. However, the properties are very different, whereas carbon nanotubes can be metallic or semiconducting depending on the rolling direction and radius. A BN nanotube is an electrical insulator with a wide band gap of 5.5 EV, same as in diamond, which is also independent of tube chirality and morphology. Similar to other BN forms, BN nanotubes are more thermally and chemically stable than carbon nanotubes, which favors them from some applications. Within each layer, boron and nitrogen atoms are bound by strong covalent bonds, whereas the layers are held together by weak van der Waals forces. So this is an ABN hexagonal. This is in both CBN and WBN. Boron and nitrogen atoms are grouped in tetrahedra. Then we have boron nitride, where it's 3D balls. So electrical, quotes and diagrams in Wiki, electrical and thermal conductivity are much higher within the planes. July 3rd, formula from this boron nitride data. BN, isoelectronic, structured carbon lattice, crystalline forms, hexagonal form. Corresponding graphite wafers, colliding particles, neutrinos, liquid argon gas, cooled plasmas, stable, soft as BN polymorphs. Boron nitride potential, nanotechnology, nanotubes, BN produced structure. Carbon nanotubes, graphene, BN sheets, rolled properties different. Carbon nanotubes, metallic, semiconducting, rolling direction, radius. BN nanotube is an electrical insulator, wide band gap 5.5 EV, and there's a little squiggly line before the 5.5. Diamond independent tube chirality, morphology. BN forms, BN nanotubes, thermally, chemically stable, then carbon nanotubes favors applications. Inside layer, boron, nitrogen atoms bound, strong covalent bonds, layers held together, weak van der Waals force. 5 axial forces. New standard model WOW's boson properties, Higgs mass boson particle found in line 22 WOW data formulas. AB hexagonal, CBN, WBN, boron, nitrogen atoms grouped together, tetrahedra, base of core, engine, UFO spaceship, Boron nitride wore its 3D balls. Structure, crystal mesh lattice. Creates electrical Higgs field, Higgs boson signals. And we're going to use the CERN 2012 data results with Atlas, CML, Alice data mixed. Sorry. This is the Atlas, Alice, and I want to use Athena's data mixed. Creating electron holes, electrical thermal conductivity, splitting atoms, splitting fermions, splitting baryons, agton neutrinos, 3/4 spin, leptons, neutrinos. Liquid argon gas, cooled plasmas, crystals, diffraction, colliding particles, bonding, water, molecules within vapor invention. Line 22, WOW data for vapor machine. Today, I created a little video today about ice and water. I'm going to add it to this, the ice and water video. Sorry. Ice and water video. I have a feeling I figured out how all this is going to work inside the UFO core engine. How we're going to do this just by what I did today on my experiment. Very simple experiment, actually. Okay, lost my place. Liquid argon gas, cooled plasmas, crystals, diffraction, colliding particles. Today's July 8th, so it's that video. It's going to be ice, called ice, water, molecule, structure. Actually, I'll name it now. Ice, water, molecule, magnetic, structure. I'm going to name the video that so you can find it. And I'll put her, and refer to ice, water, magnet video. There you go. I'll put a link to it, okay? Underneath this video when it goes up on YouTube. Okay, so okay. Liquid argon gas, cooled plasma, crystals, diffraction, colliding particles, bonding water molecules within vapor invention. Line 22, WOW data for vapor machine. You know what? Let's just put that. See a video called ice, water, molecules, magnetized. The idea girl says YouTube channel. There. That way I won't worry. I won't forget. Okay, so reach higher planes, third dimension, crystal energies adding boron nitride LED light, emitting diode semiconductor to the equation to diffract light, messages with empowering the UFO spaceship, creating communicating signals for long distance through space to other galaxies according to Arrow, A-I-R-L. Arrow's an alien, just so you know. Arrow the alien from 1947, Roswell, Mexico, UFO crash. Just in case you're wondering who Arrow is. Keyword boron nitride to LED light emitting diode semiconductor is going to continue in the next video. Thanks for watching.